So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this cervical neck pillow. So how about we tear this out of the package and begin the review. All right, so now we have the pillow out of the package, and the first thing that I really like about it is that it folds out and gets totally inflated very quickly. So I didn't have to wait 10 or 15 minutes for it to totally inflate. This is how it looked out of the package within about 5 to 10 seconds, so I love that.
Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention before we get started. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.
The next thing I really love is how supple the memory foam is here. This is actually really impressive. If you have any type of stiffness, I think this is going to be great to kind of, make you feel a little bit, comfortable when you are laying on your pillow. If you're a side sleeper, this is going to be something that's going to be great too, because you can rest your head on either side of the pillow and still have room on these wings, I guess you could say, these soft wings made of memory foam inside. You could put your arm here while you lay your head facing to the right if you're somebody who wants to sleep on that particular side of the bed, or if you want to face the left-hand side of the wall, you can point your head to the left, put your arm here, and have a very nice, comfortable sleep. Now, another thing that's really nice about this pillow is that you can easily wash the pillowcase when it gets dirty. And to do so here, you just come right here and you just unzip the pillowcase like so. You can take the pillowcase off, throw it in the washing machine, and then when you finish washing it and it's all done drying, you can easily zip the pillow right back up. So very nice, easy to use, really soft. Look how bendable this is. You can see how easy you can kind of contort this. And again, I can't really overstate how soft this memory foam inside here is. It's really just fun pushing it, depressing it in, and watching it just kind of pop back up very softly. So yeah, I have to say this is a really nice pillow. Looks very attractive, but also feels equally great.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.